I keep hearing you talk of your options class. When and where is it going to be held? Well, we had it last week on Patreon. There is a full recording of that class. There was a slight bug within Patreon where the notification of the class and the video, it was delayed getting to people, so you may have missed it or got stuck in a spam filter or something. But we will be doing a lot more of them. So it is on Patreon, and you can see it there for the investor tier or higher. And I plan on doing a series of these videos for Patreon members and breaking down more options trades, taking apart the Black-Scholes, helping you use that model that we have as well. Doing things like how to use margin, how to configure your brokerage account, how to sell puts, one of my favorite strategies, and a whole bunch more. Because now that we are coming out of the doldrums and Fed pivot is on the horizon, etc., it's, I've been full on risk on anyway, as I have been for a while, but I think it's a much, much safer time to be in the market, despite all the weird macroeconomic data that's out there. And again, as I've been saying, there's so many things that are different this time. We've come from a zero rate environment to a pretty accelerated rate environment in a short period of time, and that's messed up the yield curve. Maybe it doesn't forebode a recession, but I'll be talking about that later this week as well. Next week, I'll do a quick macro one on where we stand.